So it looks like we have two colors for the text here. We have one that's a white color and one that's a light gray. So I'm trying to figure out what would be a good default color for the site footer. Would it be this light gray or would it be the white? Well, I need to look at the design to see ultimately which color is used more. So it looks like light gray is used for 3 different lines and white is used for 2. So let's default to light gray since it's represented more in the footer than white. So we'll go to the next line and we'll set the color to light gray. We can save and refresh. Okay, so now we can see the text. Now, the gray here looks a bit darker than the gray here. In fact, the white up here looks like it has more in common with the light gray than this light gray right here. So let's see if we have a medium gray to give a try to. Okay, so here's our medium gray in our variables. So let's try medium gray and see if that's better. Save it and refresh the page. All right, well that still doesn't quite seem right. I think we need a darker gray yet. So we need something between medium and dark. So what we're gonna do is grab the color from Photoshop and we need to set it as a new color in our color palette. So it's somewhere between medium and dark. So maybe we should call it medium dark. I'll add it right after the dark here. And let's grab the color from Photoshop. So what I'll do is go to our unflattened version of the site. I'll select the text tool and then I'll select the color here. And then over here under the color palette, which might be in a different location depending on the structure of your windows, we'll see the color here, and we can click on it to get the hexadecimal value. Now you can also use a color picker tool, but it's a little tough with thin text because it's hard to get the pure color that you're going for. In Photoshop, it's a little bit easier, so since I have that option, I'm using this. If you don't have it as an option, use the color picker tool that we talked about earlier on in the series. I'll go back to the editor here. I'll paste in the value, and now let's use this variable in our site footer CSS. I'll save it and jump to the browser and refresh, and there we go. That looks a little better.